Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there on your side, Capricorns. Oh, we have the Judgment on your side. The Page of Wands is already flipped, which means that some sort of a new beginning, or with the Judgment being there, it is a decision being taken, or it can be a blast from the past, something which is long term, and maybe you need to or want to begin that. We'll see once we clarify. But anyway, with the Judgment being there, definitely it's something which is long standing, maybe a blast from the past, but a major decision needs to be taken regarding something. Let's see what is this, what's on your person's side. So on your person's side, we have the Four of Wands. So this person wants a commitment or is committed to you, and it's stability, it's something long term. Let's have, what's the most likely outcome? Five of Cups. Oh, why are you upset? There is something we are very unhappy or upset about. We'll see what it is. Okay, why is this Judgment here on your side, Capricorns? So for the Judgment, we have the Nine of Wands, the Magician, and the Lovers. Okay, so definitely this is something, a decision needs to be taken regarding a relationship which is on hold sort of since a long time. Okay, or somebody here is waiting since a long time. It's something like that. Maybe somebody is waiting and waiting and waiting since a long time for a commitment to come in, or for a new beginning in this relationship, which with the Lovers being there, there's a lot of passion and a lot of love over here. Let's see, why is this Four of Wands here for on your person's side? The Devil has popped up with the Ten of Wands. Somebody is completing something and moving out, some sort of a completion of a cycle or a life pattern or something like that. And maybe this is something which was repeated. Something here needs to be released, I should say. Anyway, let's see, why is the Four of Wands here for on your person's side. So for the Four of Wands, we have the Nine of Swords, the Six of Wands, the Queen of Cups. Queen of Pentacles and the World. See, what I feel here is that there is a lot of, anyway, let's clarify this Five of Cups also here. Why is this Five of Cups here? So for the Five of Cups, we have the Two of Cups, the Star, the Ten of Pentacles. Why this regret then? See, what I feel here is that somebody here is waiting for and is really manifesting this connection over here, and it is a time that this some decision has to be taken in this regard. That's what I feel. Okay, it can be somebody you know from the past, or it is something because it's like you know this person since a long time, and this person is manifesting this connection. They are really manifesting this connection because they really have a lot of passion, a lot of chemistry is there between both of you. Okay, and on a person's side, we have the Four of Wands. So definitely this person wants commitment, or they are committed to you, they want commitment, but there is a lot of anxiety or sleepless nights. So what I feel here is, that maybe this anxiety is regarding I don't know who is who in this situation, because what I feel here is with the Nine of Swords, this person is anxious and is upset and is spending these sleepless nights overthinking. This person is in a lot of anxiety because of a want of a commitment. That's what I feel. This person wants a commitment perhaps, or maybe they want stability, even if it's since a long time. It's something like that. So maybe one person is waiting and not taking a decision, and maybe the anxiety is on this part. It can be that also. Okay. See, it can be this also, that what I am getting here is that though there is a lot of, this person is waiting, somebody here is waiting for a decision to come in regarding this beautiful relationship, and there's a lot of passion over here, but that commitment is not coming in. Basically, this person wants commitment, there is no commitment, and that is caused the source of anxiety. But what I feel is, this person is also not investing in this relationship, in the sense that though with this Four of Wands and the Six of Wands, yes, they do, there is happiness, in the sense that this person, I can see a lot of emotions, but what I feel is this person is also not showing all their emotions. It's something like that. Okay, that's what I feel. They are trying to divert their mind on something else. This person has a lot of emotions. They want commitment from you. They are trying to divert their mind in their busy life or whatever else they are doing in their life. But as far as this commitment is concerned, somehow what I feel is this person is not showing their emotions and is sort of closed off to some extent. Okay, but what I see here with the World card is that things will change. This thing is going to change. That's what I feel. And now, I really get why this Five of Cups is the most likely outcome. It's like you are upset because one person is waiting and not taking a decision, and other person is really wanting for a decision or a commitment over there, and because of that, both of you are, this relationship is just stuck, sort of, and that is what is the source of unhappiness over here with the Five of Cups. So with the for that we have the Two of Cups, the Star, and the Ten of Pentacles. So both of you view each other as it is a beautiful connection. Definitely with the lovers, we have a lot of passion over there. You want a commitment with the Six of Wands and all, Ten of Pentacles, Star, and the Two of Cups. So what I feel is that this is a beautiful connection. It is stable. It is long term. Maybe it is a family relationship itself, right? Itself. But for some reason, both of you are staying apart. It can be that also. I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe it can be that you, even if you stayed together, it's like sort of a live-in type of a thing, can be that, and the other person wants commitment, and the one person is just being too passionate, and maybe only physical, can be that. I don't know why I'm saying all that, but that is what I'm getting for some of you, at least, that this is somebody is wanting a commitment. There is a lot of passion over here on one side, but somebody here is not committing, and that is what is the source of unhappiness. Though both of you know that there is a lot of love also. It's not that love is not there. Love is there, connect is there, chemistry is there, passion is there, but somebody here is not committing, and this relationship is perhaps going on like this since a long time. That's what I feel, and it is not going towards commitment. Somebody here is not committing since a long time, and that is why the other person is upset. That's what I'm getting. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Rest and relaxation is essential. We all have fundamental need to take a break. Number 42 may be of some significance. That's what I was saying. That's what I feel. Maybe even if you are staying together, you people are not investing in each other or whatever. There is some sort of a disconnect over here. In spite of everything being there, things are just not moving forward. Okay, and maybe it's the time to take a break. Maybe this is what it is. As I said, that there is some sort of a disconnect. Somebody here is wanting a commitment. So in spite of everything being there, the relationship is not moving forward. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.